Health insurance premiums will be going up for tens of millions of Americans under Obamacare, not down as the president has promised. The National Journal did an extensive review of the new plans, and it found that a vast majority of Americans will see higher premiums than they're paying now for benefits that are sponsored by their employers. And many businesses are simply planning to drop all or part of their health coverage because of Obamacare. You can find out more about this story on cbnnews.com. Pat?
You know, Lee, I don't know when the American people are going to realize that they have a president who doesn't tell the truth. He doesn't tell the truth. He said, your premiums are not going up. If you have your doctors, you'll keep your doctors, and on and on and on. Well, under this cockeyed law they passed, if you have 50 employees, you're under the rule where you have to provide all these benefits and do all these things. If you have 49 employees, you're exempt. So what are businesses doing? They are saying, we're not going to expand, we're not going to add employees, we're not going to grow the workforce because we don't want to get under this draconian system. So we're going to hold our workforce down. Is that good for the economy? Of course not. Of course not. But what if you already have an existing plan? It may be really good for your workers, but you're going to get penalized because you're not under some exchange that Obama has set up. It's very complicated. Most businesses probably still don't understand what the thing is all about. And the incredible thing is, though, the Democrats in Congress said, this thing, we didn't realize what we're doing. We're covered by this. We don't want it. We don't want it. So what did they do? They gave a waiver to Congress. So Congress and their staffs, specific, and the congressman can pick which ones of their staffs they want to cover and which they don't, and they are exempt. When are the people going to stand up and say, no way, you can't make laws for us that are going to hurt us and exempt yourself from the same laws? Well, they've done it. And of course, now some of the buddies of Obama who give big contributions have said, look, we can't stand this thing right now. So he says, okay, you got a waiver. You're my friends, so we'll cut a waiver out for you big businesses and wait till after the election. We won't bring this thing out till after we get Democrat Congress again. This is outrageous. When are the people going to scream? This isn't the way to run a government.